made it to the third video about least common multiples. My name is Kaylee, and in this lesson, we're going to find the least common multiple of three numbers. This question is asking, what is the least common multiple of 10, 15, and 18? Let's do this one with prime factorization now that we know how quickly it works. So if I do my prime factorization tree for 10, I have 2 and 5, and that's it. Those are the prime numbers. And now let's do it for 15. My tree would be 3 and 5, and that's it again. Okay, so that leaves me with 18. My factor tree will be 2 and 9, and 9 breaks into 3 and 3. Great. So now let's use our factors to find our least common multiple of all three. So I know my LCM of 10, 15, and 18 will have to represent my 10, which is 2 times 5. And it needs to represent my 15, which is 3 and a 5, but I already have a 5 right here, so I just need to add my 3. And then for 18, I have 2, 3, and 3. So I have a 2 here, I have a 3 here, but I need one more 3. So now do we see how it's represented? My 2 and my 5 here, this represents my 10. My 3 and my 5 here represent my 15. And then this 2, this 3, and this 3 represent my 18. So now all I have to do here is multiply across my prime factors. I have 2 times 5 is 10, and 3 times 3 is 9, and 10 times 9 gives me 90. So that means 90 is the smallest common multiple between 10, 15, and 18. Great work finding the LCM of three numbers. It's really not so different from finding the LCM of two numbers, is it? And with prime factorization, it's pretty painless, for math at least. We still have one more video on least common multiples called Least Common Multiple Examples. I'll see you there. Hey, hey.